Alright, continuing with the first quick sample, short sample of the oscurart tools. Override, render override. We had our floor grouped as name piso. We have our group B, group C, and group R for the three different spheres, and we have our material, set at our nice font. Let's save this just in case. Alright, now we have to, as I was saying, we have to tell Blender which object is going to grab which material, and we do this at here, this field, under override list. You can see here that there is a field where I can type. Okay, if this field doesn't appear, you have to click here, create override list. I'm not sure why this field appears at the beginning, because it shouldn't be there, but okay, it's there and it doesn't bother. If it doesn't appear, click create override list. How do we use this? Well, this has a syntax order, because Python is calling the lines written here, wherein the syntax is the next bracket 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 bracket, inverted commas, comma, inverted commas. This is the structure that you should have in order to use this add-on. Under the first pair of inverted commas, you are going to write the name of the group. Alright, in this case I'm going to set the override for the first sphere, and the first sphere has the group or was assigned at the group R, and is going to be overridden by the R material. Let's add here an M. RM are red material, because if you read here RR, it's going to be confusing. So if I render this, it won't happen anything. Alright, why is this? Because override list, override tools works with the render tools that, again, override tools works with render tools, which calls the script at the oscurart tools app. So if we want to see the results of this change, we have to use these buttons here. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do this a bit quick. I had set up my output folder at temp, tmp, and you have only to set to set it inside here. And now you have only to set the folder path, not the file path. The name of the file is going to be the same name of your .blend file. Alright, so I set the folder path and click on frame. Now this was quick because are only 3 spheres, but as soon as you click on frame, you can see that the button holds there for a second. It's the Blender will freeze a bit and will render your picture. If I set here render result, I can see now that I have my material overridden. Let's going to do the next one. Alright, this is our she object. So again, let's set green material she m, and again we separate this midterms, these groups, this overrides with a comma, and again bracket bracket inverted comma comma inverted comma. First, as we can see here at the example, thank you. First the group she, and second the material which overrides, and action. Render again. This one. This is going to be hard. I promise that if this tutorial isn't clear enough, I will do it again. I will write the script before, and I do it as clear as it possibly can. Now I am rendering and nothing happened, and this is because I set VM and the material is called B. In a case you are no, there you go. And at the end we set to our floor. We have to set our floor. I was sure that I can speak better English. Probably I need to practice a bit more. Okay, set piso. Piso it's floor in Spanish. And I set the material for piso, floor, material. Well, copy, paste, render. Let's try to multiply, and there we have it. RGB mask. Remember that this is only an example, and it could be in many different ways. Let's do a simple one more example. Link objects. This is going to be AOA. This is going to be a bit complex sample. Let erase this. And what is this going to do? This is going to be, as I said, an AO sample. Now I have my ambient occlusion. This is a different way of using this album. Sorry, not this one. Okay, what am I going to do? I'm going to take directly the ambient occlusion to the composite node in order to render only this ambient occlusion. But I want to a different ambient occlusion because I am very annoying with this. So I'm going to create a second one, link object, AOB, and I'm going to go to Word and create a new Word data block that is called AOB and set in a different way. And we continue at the next video. This is going to be long. See ya.